What's up, guys?
Hey guys.
Welcome back to the channel.
Say hi, Carrie. Say hi, love.
Carrie not paying no mind.
Carrie was sleep and I fight to sleep.
Yeah.
Guys, we are in
Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth.
Yeah.
You get me? I said it's a big day. Brian Lara 11 versus Chris Gayle 11. You know what I mean? This is so, you know, nostalgic for me, you know, growing up as a child, you know, going to the cricket games. You see what I mean? I say just so, you know, enriching and, you know, fulfilling to, you know, to be here and to bring the boys out with us, you know?
So man, so we're here, we're in the sun, it's a beautiful day, I would just go and enjoy the cricket, what do you say? Yeah
man, beautiful Treasure Beach. So, Brian Lara out here, guys. We got a glimpse of him not too long ago. You know, he's wearing silver now, here, you know, black again, you know, but him look good, him slim and everything same way, and him look good. I mean, not see Chris Gayle yet, but the players are coming out now. The players are coming out. Alright? And Cass here with the boys, and you know, we're just here to have a good time, you know?
Yes,
so yeah, so just enjoy a bit of the drive up and just stay tuned and enjoy, alright?
We tell you what
happened. Yeah. Actually, never actually witnessed Brian Lara live before, never. You know how many years I watching cricket? Hey, me did love cricket, I grew up, you know. But I just never get a chance to really watch Brian Lara live. I see Chris Gayle on a couple of occasions. You know what I mean? Even when before Chris Gayle get drafted in a West Indies team, we used to go watch him every weekend down at Sabina Park and play for Jamaica. Chris Gayle and Waveline used to open the button and them way there. Yeah man, me witness couple great Chris Gayle innings over the years at Sabina Park. I remember one match too, him and Marlon Samuels did have a big partnership in a one-day match at Sabina Park. You don't know them days, babe?
I'm not like a big cricket fan. I used to watch cricket like on the summer days when nothing else was going on TV and cricket was there. I would watch cricket. I mean, I appreciate it, but if I had to choose between watching a movie and cricket,
you'd go to a movie.
Yeah, but a live cricket match would be better than watching it like on TV. Yeah,
man. So I mean that game at Sabina Park, Chris Gayle and Marlon Samuels, them put on a big partnership. Them batter New Zealand. The two of them make 100. You see me I say? And that was like the last time I go watch an international cricket game. But this one is definitely will be fun. You know, that kind of a family vibe. I put the flyer up on the screen, I couldn't see it. But I mean, by that video ago, the match should have already, you know, gone and stuff like that. But it's a good vibe, you know. What are you doing?
Something to drink.
Something to drink. The bottle you're looking for? Oh. Yeah, man, we're close to Goshen right now in St. Elizabeth. See there, St. Elizabeth. Yep.
We're going to Treasure Beach. Treasure Beach is nice. We've been to Treasure Beach before.
It's such a beautiful place.
And we were very, you know, we really love the place. We love the vibe every day I get from it. So let's see what it will be like the second time around.
Yeah, Treasure Beach. So right nearby Jamaica Zoo, we're gonna make the left turn and go down there.
I know we need to go to Jamaica Zoo too.
Yeah, we need to go there. Remember the incident with the guy with him bite off the bread at the finger to hurt him. So the
man go feed him finger to the lions.
Oh my God! So the zoo was closed down for a little bit, but they're open back now. They're open again.
High point of that. Don't tease people. Leave people alone. Leave animals alone. Don't tease nobody. Leave them in peace. You might get your finger bitten off.
Yeah.
That's the thing. How do I enter?
I exit that. See entrance up here, so. Yeah.
Too far up there, the sky.
Jamaica national dish, see it, yeah? Go so.
Oh, drive through.
Yeah. Just do the drive through. What you got?
A barbecue zinger.
Can you eat fries?
Yeah, we more to go around.
Kyrie! Boy, the fries them bun up. The fries them a Santa bun up, guys. Them bun up. Crispy.
I industry, but I them bed.
The fries them now Santa bun up.
Kyrie, are going I'm chickeny?
Kyrie, clutch it. Yeah, we're close to the venue now. We're in Treasure Beach. Alright, so all roads lead down to this sports complex. You know? All roads lead down here, I tell you, star. Yeah, man, good day, you know, good vibe, good vibe. Hey, you live in Dangerous? got your cup. You got your cup, Jay? I won't lie to you guys, it's like such a nice, enriching, fulfilling day here. You get me? I say this is like the authentic, the real Jamaica that we grew up on, you know, back in the 90s. Nice, trust me. Would I love if Jamaica could have come back to them age here, you know? Would I really, really love it. Alright, we have a lot of food. A lot of food is here. You know what I mean? Jerk, everything you know you can think of is here. Alright, so guess what? Gayle 11 has won the toss and they put Lara 11 up. So they had put Brian Lara 11 to field. So Chris Gayle started a bad first, guys, you know?
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Yeah. Guess what? The big man coming in now. Chris Gayle. One down, number 3, you know? See there? Just gone in now in a Jaden. Chris Gayle just gone in now. Yeah. He gone back now. No, Brian Lara on the field. Brian Lara team fielding. See, Brian Lara team fielding. Well, we're not lie, like, you know, this age, got a lot of persons that are watching cricket, especially the younger ones. They're 9-year-old now and they know much about cricket, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. Whoa!
No,
Where Vel?
I don't pick up one van with a rock. You know, the business. I don't know you have to see. We can never set up.
Chris Gayle just get ball on a no ball, so they have to re-ball and then a 4. time being. Go on with a vibe, you know where you're going, no? Yeah, let's go on with a vibe. Boy, I'm not lie. A long time we now have so much fun, you know. Arty fun, you know.
Yeah, it was definitely a family event. We enjoyed it.
Yeah, man, it was really good.
Yeah.
The game is wrapping up now, but we can't really stay till it complete. Brian and Lara still out there still.
Brian and Lara out.
You know, him out there?
Yeah, him just out. That's why everybody leave.
Oh, yeah.
The Brian and Lara out. Everybody has to come to leave.
Yeah.
Because, you know.
At the main attraction, that basically.
Yeah.
But it was really good, you know. I think up the organizer them to put this all together.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Treasure Beach is a wonderful place, and it's a traditional cricket place, this. St. Elizabeth Treasure Beach area. You know what I mean? We love the turnout, it was a good vibe, you know? So we really appreciate the day. See me I say? Really love it. You know, so thank you all for watching.
Yes. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the post notification bell, put the setting on all, and Kyrie tell them bye.
Say bye.
Bye. Say bye.
Like Jaden Garon, we don't know where Jaden gone, but I'm just talking about the place I run up and down, you know? Yeah, so we out guys. Peace.